And welcome back to another fabulous episode
Don't fucking
of
say
a
it
queer
again.
guy and a tar guy. Now, as
Go
my
fuck yourself.
beautiful assistant over here, Chad, you will see that
I'm not your goddamn assistant.
this is my beautiful assistant, Chad. He's modeling off
I am not your goddamn assistant.
my slave driver, Chad. And if anyone's curious, I work for Chad, and this is what I get paid for. All
If
right.
you want a job, call us.
At 1-800? No. Okay, so
100 get that.
so Chad is modeling off this Coke bottle, which we are going to put into the microwave now.
We should post an ad for Craigslist.
For your mom. Call for a good time. Okay.
No.
How long are we putting it in for?
I don't know.
How, 5 minutes?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna put it in for 5 minutes. 5 freaking minutes. Alright.
I'm gonna back up. I'm sitting right here.
Oh, you're gonna. Should I back up?
I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah. I'm just talking about it.
What?
I don't know what it's gonna do.
Okay, hold on a second. I wasn't thinking about my safety.
What are you doing?
Just shut up, Chad.
Fucking pussy.
Being in a wheelchair like you, Chad.
Well, oh, by the way,
I like to get.
if any of you guys like JD,
Shut up, Chad.
he likes fucking girls. Okay. Just let him know what they're getting into.
Chad, it's gross.
She'll pat any of this. Dude, you should show Pat.
Chad's just jealous because I won't let him touch my PT.
I wouldn't want to touch these. Don't. He has HIV.
I do not. Shut up.
What?
No, it's that people just.
That hepatitis A, B, and C.
Yes. I usually share with my
Clients?
Nothing is going to happen. Yes, Chad, you're my client. Still,
Yeah.
put in
you said
5
clients.
minutes. Client. But you're not my first one.
I'm doing it.
Due to my ADHD, I am now bored and going to end this
No,
project.
you're not. Stop. Let it go.
No, it's boring.
Let it go. What? Stop being an idiot.
Just let it go, I guess.
Go and smoke it. Yes. What are you doing? Hey, stop.
What?
What are you doing?
Backing up the time. Here we go, 15 minutes.
Go smoke. By the way, JD whipped out the smoke back on. And there's like 15 minutes left. And I'm sitting there watching it. No. Don't. It's got to heat all of it up. There's a lot of coke to heat up now. Have you been saying anything lately? Oh, tell them that you want to smoke. That's it. What the fuck else am I supposed to say?
I don't know. Something
Is it
interesting.
tilted?
It's tilted.
Is it?
The bottom is expanding.
Oh, that's...
Oh, then it's gonna blow up and go all over.
Oh, that's...
How did that go, Chad? That I have burning fucking soda all over me, and
Yeah!
we got a steaming microwave.
Did we kill the microwave?
And the microwave is broken. Chad, guess what you're buying your mom? Christmas is coming early for her.
Are you sure we didn't pop the fuse? Yep, we popped the GFCI.
Yay, we broke the house. Alright, Chad.
We either popped the GFI or the breaker.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Because all the electricity went out. So, was it a success?
I need to go dry off now.
Okay.